Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the best camera settings for stunning photos on Realme 14T. Let's get into the camera app and start with the setting which we can see right here, which are the filters. And I think the filters on this phone are quite exciting. As we can see, we get I'm gonna try showing it on this plant, so let me just zoom out a bit. And this is the original filter. As you can see, when I set it to fresh, it gets just a bit more bluish, but it also works on different colors. I'm showing it to you on green plant, so it will be a bit different on different colors. Maybe it works more on the blue colors or whatever. The emerald turns greens into deeper ones, right? The clear one doesn't really change the greens, but has changed the whites. As you can see in the original, the white is quite white, but in clear it's more bluish. I really like the tone of light filter for this plant. It makes it almost orange, and I think it looks pretty stunning with it. So I'm even gonna take a photo because I really like this filter. Then we also get the vivid one, the film, warm, cool. They are pretty standard. The gray one makes colors more washed out. Mono and black and white, just mono turns it into mono color. Black and white enhances the contrast of the mono. Natural feels natural. Food is great for picturing food. This is pretty intuitive. The film one, you can also test it out. Faded and cyberpunk are also a bit different between each other. You can test out them yourself, and I think these filters add quite a lot to your pictures. Now we can also see this night thing right here. It turns on when it's dark. You can turn it off, of course, but what it does is it will make the picture appear brighter if it's dark in the environment. So if it says 1 second, then it means that the picture will take 1 second to take. And if that's enabled, then you also need to hold your phone still for that 1 second or any amount of seconds it says, because otherwise everything will appear blurred. It just takes that photo for 1 second so more light can reach the matrix. Also, you can open the night mode, and in the night mode you can't really adjust it yourself, but it will also be mainly for the night or just dark environments. It will automatically adjust itself to them, so that's great. Also in the photo you get the retouch, so if it detects a face, then you'll see different settings like natural, default, or you can adjust like the skin texture, cheeks, eye size, nose and stuff manually. So that is pretty great, although I don't really like this feature because it makes me look unnatural. My eyes are too big, just it looks all fake. I don't like it. I like the natural look, but maybe some of you will like it. The portrait one is also quite great if you're picturing someone because it'll make the background blurred. The face will be more lit up, it will be sharper and stuff, but the background will be blurred depending on the strength of depth of field that you set. The lower the value here, the stronger the blur in the background will be. And you also get the more here. And I'm not gonna dive too deep into the Pro and other things. Also here, if you go to it, you can rearrange this. So if you use any of these modes frequently, you can move it down so it'll be in the quicker access section, but I'm gonna click on done. What I wanted to show you is, for example, the high res. If you want to take a picture in high resolution, then you can enable that thing, but it needs your photo to be well lit up because night mode doesn't work here. Also, the digital zoom doesn't work as well. So it's only if you really need that high resolution on that certain photo, and it also takes more storage, so really just use it only if needed. Then you also get the Pro mode, which as I've said, I'm not gonna dive in too deep, but here you can adjust the focus manually. So what it does is just you can adjust manually the length of focus. So you can see now this flower is blurred, but what's in the background, as I see, is sharper. And now as I change it, now the plant is sharper and the background is blurred. So that's great. And yeah, there are some other things, but you can mess around with them. If you really know what you're doing, then you'll probably get good photos. And let's see if we can change anything in the settings. So in the settings, you can't really change anything, as I can see. You can just adjust some things for your convenience. And so what I've shown you were the things that will make your photos look better. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.